been directly affected by a person who is addicted to alcohol? Or perhaps indirectly affected? There are several key factors which make alcohol a detrimental drug for those addicted, as well as the communities around it. On the BBC News website, there's an article that chronicles the complex reasons behind alcohol addiction. And of course, many clues lie within the human brain and have to deal with the individual's psychologies. A prime example explaining why many individuals are addicted to alcohol lies within the fact that alcohol triggers the release of dopamine in the human brain, which results in satisfaction. It's kind of like that Rolling Stone song. As humans, we can't get no satisfaction, right? So, a lot of people who are depressed, they'll seek out a way to, in slide 1 here, channel their dopamine and make it flow better. So, this is just a flow chart chronicling the pathway of dopamine within the human brain. Another reason that people are addicted to alcohol many times is the fact that alcohol triggers the release of endorphins, and which is the brain's natural painkiller when it comes to both physical as well as emotional hurt. So that's why you'll see, like, very drunk people punching windows and shattering their hands, and very sad people drinking because it releases endorphins. Drinking also affects the glutamate and GABA found within the brain, which are important for communication between nerve cells. Scientists believe that this can affect alcohol tolerance as well as LSD treatments, there was a 64 to 100% retention rate after the first follow-up meeting for patients involved in the study. So, continuing on the vein of psychotherapy with regards to alcoholism treatments, they have consisted mainly of meetings organized by the group titled Alcoholics Anonymous, as I mentioned earlier, abbreviated at times to AA or simply called Al-Anon. These meetings, by themselves, have only had a 27% success rate, according to hamsnetwork.org, a website dedicated to the harm reduction for alcohol. According to the same study, a session at Alcoholics Anonymous combined with a low dose of LSD as part of therapy boosts the success rate for these recovering alcoholics up to 63%. That's a 36% increase in success. As with any controlled substance, however, the dangers surface when LSD is used in higher doses. So only a minute amount of LSD is needed to make a difference as far as psychotherapy is concerned. So not enough to cause a trip or a bad trip, but just enough to alter the perspective that the alcoholic has on the world. If the dosages of LSD are larger than the required amount, then psychosis or a bad trip may occur. It is therefore less effective in higher doses as treatment for alcoholism. And I just took an example in slide 3. Pretty scary picture of what might happen, but there are no lasting effects as far as any of these studies that I have discussed are concerned. So, in conclusion, LSD treatment would be helpful to quite a lot more participants in the Alcoholics Anonymous program due to the introspection that their minds are put through. And in recapping the main points I've discussed, the success rate of alcoholics put through recovery meetings and maintaining abstinence is only 27% when it's the meetings alone. But the success rate for alcoholics maintaining recovery while utilizing low doses, very low doses of LSD in addition to the therapy sessions, so they have to be used in conjunction, is far greater at 63%. And the vast improvement in abstinence from alcohol via the use of an alternative, non-addictive substance is needed to combat the debilitating disease known as alcoholism.